Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do Excel chapter 7 guided project 7-3. I have done this assignment many times for many students. I will do this assignment step by step and you will get done your assignment by watching my complete video. If you need complete solution of this assignment or if you want me to do this assignment, then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given below description of this video. I can also do Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel and Access. So if you are busy or if you want me to do this assignment, then I am available for your help. I will provide you a plus grade in this assignment and you will be happy with my work. If you are doing any job and if you are busy, then I am available for your help. You can hire me for your complete course and I will provide you 90 plus grade in your complete course. Now I am going to do this assignment step by step. Before starting this assignment, you will see project description. So this is title of assignment guided project 7-3 and this is description. You can read description to get information to do this assignment. And after reading description, you will see file needed. We have two files that will be needed in this assignment. And after files, you will see project skills. These are skills which will be covered in this assignment. After applying these all skills, you will get a plus grade and you will be able to submit assignment for grades. So before starting the assignment, you should have knowledge about these all skills. And now I'm going to do step number 1, that is main part of our assignment. So step number 1 is open the Placer Hill 7 workbook from your student data file. The number error appear in 4 cell because argument for the formula are missing. In this step, after applying enable editing, you will see that we have 4 error in 4 cells. I have already clicked enable editing and now you will see that we have error in cell H15, H18 and E23 and E24. Okay, we have 4 error in this assignment. So first part is done. Now I'm going to do question number 2. Question number 2 is save the workbook as template. Question number 2 has part A, B, C, D, E, F and last is G. First part of question number 2 is select save as file tab and choose this PC. In this part we will just select save as, that is in file tab, and we will choose this PC. Go to file tab and go to save as option, click on this one. Okay, and then choose this PC and choose this PC. Okay, and next is part B. Click the more options link to open the save as dialog box. In this part we will open save as dialog box, so just double click on this PC to open save as dialog box. This box is now open. After it we will move to next part, that is part C. Type the file name your initial Excel 7-3 template in the file name box. In this part, we will just press this sentence, select this sentence, Ctrl C to copy this sentence and then press in the file name box. You will see file name box. This is file name. So first we will delete it and then Ctrl V. Okay. So part C is complete. Now I am going to do next part of this question, that is part D. Verify that save thumbnail box is selected or selected. In this part we will verify that thumbnail box is selected. If it not selected, then it's selected. So this is already selected, save thumbnail box is already selected, so our part D is complete. Now I am going to do next part, that is part E. Choose Excel template from the Save as Type drop-down box. So in this part, we will just choose Excel template in the Save as Type box. So click on this arrow and choose Excel template. This is Excel template. Click on this one. Okay. So I have choose Excel template in the Save as Type box. And our part E is complete. Now I'm going to do part F of question number Click save. Just click on save. So just click OK. Now the main part of question number 2 is part G. Our assignment will be start from part G. So part G is select the agent sheet tab, agent name and data display. In this part we will just select agent sheet. First close save as box and go to Excel sheet and go to agent sheet. Okay, part G is complete and our question number 2 is complete. Now I'm going to do next question, that is question number 3 of Excel chapter 7. Question number 3 has part A, B, C, D, E, F, G and last is H. So now I'm going to do first part, that is part A. Part A is click the find and select button home tab editing group and choose go to special. In this part we will just select find and select button and then we will choose go to special. So find and select button is in home tab and in editing group. So first we will go to home tab. Home tab is already selected, then we will go to editing group and then we will go to find and select button, click on this one and then we need to choose go to special, click on this one. Okay, go to special box is now open. After it you will go to step number 2. Step number 2 is select the option button for data validation. In this part we will just select data validation option. Go to Excel sheet and go to special box and then choose data validation. This is data validation, choose this one. Okay, you can verify this box. Okay, now I'm going to do next part, that is part C of question number 3. Click OK. No cell on the agent sheet have validation criteria, so we just click OK and then no cells were found, just click OK and our part C is complete. Now I'm going to do part D of question number 3. Part D is click OK in the message box. So I have already clicked the OK. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part E. Click the comparison sheet tab. Just go to Excel sheet and click the comparison sheet tab. Okay, and next is part F. Part F of question number 3 is click the find and select button, home tab, editing group and choose data validation. Cells with validation setting are highlighted. In this part we will just click find and select button, that is in home tab and in editing group. Go to home tab and go to editing group and again go to find and select button and then choose data validation. This is data validation, click on this one. Okay, after that we will go to next part, that is part G. Part G is click the data validation button, data tab, data tools group and verify that setting tab is selected. The current criteria requires a whole number greater than or equal to 10. In this part just we will go to data tab and then go to data tools group and choose data validation. Go to data tab and go to data tools group and you will see validation box, click on this one. Okay, and choose data validation. Okay, so data validation box is now open and our part G is complete. Now I am going to do next part, that is part H of question number 3. Click clear all on setting tab and leave the dialog box open. So just click on clear all. Okay, and leave the box open. Okay, so question number 3 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 4. Question number 4 is set the validation criteria with an error alert. Question number 4 has part A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and last is I. So first part of question number 4 is verify the following cells in the worksheet are selected: C9 to C12, H9, H12, H13 to H14 and H16. If they are not close the data validation dialog box, select the cells and click the data validation box, data tab, data tools group. Okay. In this question, we will just verify that these cells are selected C9 to C12. First, we will verify C9 to C12 is selected. You can first close this box and verify that C9 to C12 is selected. Okay. And then H9 is selected. You can see that H9 is also selected. After that H11 is selected. You will see H11 is also selected. And then H13 and H14. H13 to H14 is selected. And last is H16. H16 is also selected. Okay, you can see here. So I have done part A of question number 4. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part B of question number 4. So part B is click the allow arrow and choose decimal on setting tab. So just click on allow arrow. So first we will open the data box, data tab, go to data tab and we will go to data tools group and open data validation box. Okay, here you will see data validation box is now open. Now we will click allow arrow and choose decimal on setting tab. Okay, so setting tab is now open and click on allow arrow to choose decimal. And next is part C. Click the data arrow and choose greater than or equal to. Okay, so we will click on data arrow and choose greater than or equal to. Okay, and next part is part D. Click the minimum box and type 0. Go to setting tab and choose minimum and set it to 0. After it we will go to step E. Step E is click the alert tab and verify that the show error alert after invalid data is entered box is selected. So just click on error alert tab. Okay, you will see that new tab is now open, that is error alert tab. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part F of question number 4. Verify that stop display as style. Now we will verify that stop is selected in the style group. Okay, I verify part F. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part G of question number 4. So part G is click the title box and type required. So first we will copy required word, control C to copy it, and then I will type in title box. This is title box, click on this one and press Ctrl V. Now I am going to do next part, that is part H of question number 4. So part H is click the error message box and type please enter a positive value including the period figure 7-78. So in this part we will just copy this sentence, please enter a positive value, and then we will type, sorry, we will press Ctrl V to enter in the error message box. So just select this sentence, Ctrl C to copy this sentence and go to Excel sheet and then go to error message in the error alert tab and then press Ctrl V to press this sentence, that is please enter a positive value. And I have done part H. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part I, and this is last part of question number 4, that is just click OK and click OK. So I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Now I'm going to do next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is display the developer tab on the ribbon if it not shown. In this part we will display the developer tab on the ribbon. So question number 5 has two parts, part A and part B. First part is part A. Select the option command file tab and click the customize ribbon in the left pane. In this part, we will just click on the option command that is in file tab, and then we will click on customize ribbon. So go to Excel sheet and go to file tab, and then go to option command, click on option command. Okay, and Excel option box is now open. After it, we will click on customize ribbon that is in the left pane. This is left pane, and click on customize ribbon. Click on this one. Okay, customize ribbon box is now appear. After it, we will go to part B. Select the developer tab box in the main tab group and click OK. So in this part, we will just click on developer tab that is already selected. So we just need to click OK, and you will see that developer tab is shown at the top of ribbon. And our question number 5 is complete. Now I'm going to do next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is insert a spin button form control. Question number 6 has part A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. So in part A, show the grid lines on the worksheet view tab. In this part, we will just click on the grid line in the worksheet that is in view tab. So first we will go to view tab, and then you will go to show group and then click on grid line. Okay, after it I will go to step B, click the insert control button developer tab control group. In this part we will just click on the insert control button that is in developer tab control groups. First go to developer tab and then go to control group. You will see insert button, click on this one, and then we need to select spin button. Click on spin button form control. Okay, and next part is part C of question number 6. Click the spin button form control button. Okay, so I have already clicked the spin button. Now I am going to do next part, that is part D. Draw a control directly over cell I-21 to I-22 figure 7.79. This is showing. Now we will draw a control over the range I-21 to I-22. So just go to column I and then draw a control I-21 to I-22 and set this control I-21 to I-23. Okay, so I have done part E of question number 6. Now I am going to do next part, that is part E. So part E is right click the control and choose format control. So now I will right click on this control and I will choose format control. Okay, here you will see that format control box is now open, and then next part is part F. Click the minimum value box on the control tab and type 1. Okay, in this part just go to format control box and go to minimum value, and type 1. Okay, so part F is complete. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part G. Set the maximum value of 8. These are agent identification number 1 through 8. The incremental change is 1 so that each click of a spin button goes up or down a number. In this part we will just type 8 in the maximum value in the control form dialog box. Go to control tab, you will see maximum value and type 8. Okay, so next part is part H. Click the cell link box and select cell H22. The choice made by spin button will placed in this cell 7-80 figure. So Next part is part H. In this part we will just click on cell link that is in control tab, and then we will select cell H22 and H22 will appear in the absolute reference. So go to Excel sheet and control tab is already selected and go to cell link. After it we will select cell H22. This is cell H22, click on this one. Okay, so absolute reference with cell H22 will be automatically appear, and after it we will go to the next part, that is part I. You can verify this image with the Excel sheet and with the format objects box. Okay, after it next part is part I. Verify that 3D shading box is selected and click OK. The linked cell display the maximum value 1. In this part, we will just verify that 3D shading box is selected. Okay, this is already selected. I have verified this. Now, I'm going to next part, that is last part of question number 6. Click cell H22, H23 to deselect the control. So, I will just click OK and then I will select cell H23. Now I'm going to do next question, that is question number 7 of Excel chapter 7 guided project 7-3. Before starting the Excel chapter 7 question number 7, I want to say you, if you need complete solution then I am available for your help. I will provide you A plus grade in this assignment and you will be happy with my work. Now start the question number 7. So our question number 7 is use an index formula to display the agent's name. Question number 7 has part A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So our part A is verify that active cell is selected H23. So we will verify that H23 is selected. H23 is selected. Okay. And next part is part B. In part B, click the lookup and reference button formula tab function library group. Okay, in this part we will just click on lookup and reference button that is in function library group and in formula tab. So first we will go to formula tab and then go to function and library and then go to lookup and reference button. Okay, now next part is part C. Choose index and select the array row number column number argument group. In this part we will just choose index formula that is in lookup and reference button. Click on lookup and reference button and then choose index. In this one click on this one, open formula. After it you will select the array row number column number argument groups. So this is already selected. Simply click OK to open index formula box. Now I'm going to do next question. Click the array box, click the agent sheet tab and select range A2 to A7. In this question we will just click on the array box. After it we will click on agent sheet tab and then we will select range that is A2 to A7. So just click on array box and then click on agent sheet and select range A2 to A7, and then next part is party. Click the row number box and select cell H22 and click OK. So we will select row number box. After it we will select cell H22. This is cell H22 and then we will click OK. Click on OK. So you will see that H23 is now video, and after it we will go to the next part of question number 7. Center align cell H23. Now I will go to home tab and then go to alignment group. You will see align left and align right. So we need to center align it align right. Sorry, center align. So we need to select a center align. Okay, so next part is part G of question number 7, that is last part. Turn off the grid line. So now we will go to view tab. After it you will see show group and then go to grid line and off the grid lines. So now I am going to do next question. Okay, so we have 15 question in this assignment and I have done 50% assignment and I have done 7 questions. If you need complete solution of this assignment, then I am available for your help. I will provide you 90 plus grade in your all assignment. If you need complete solution in this assignment, then I will do in 30% and you will get a plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Like my video and subscribe my channel.